Hello, today I want to share with you one of my passions, and that is learning other languages. So in particular in this video, we're going to talk about how to learn sign language for nurses. So this is the first in a series, which means we have to start at the beginning. So the first thing we're going to learn is our ABCs. And why would that be so important? Because many times you may find that you need to finger spell out the words, such as your name and places and things that we just don't have a symbol for. So we're going to start off with the alphabet in this video, and we're going to build up on questions that would be relevant for your nursing practice should you have a patient who uses sign language. And we're going to start that right after this. Welcome back. My name is Tammy and this is Nurse Minder, and on this channel we do everything nursing. So if you're new here, consider subscribing below so that you get the next video when it's released. So communicating with patients who are not able to speak directly with you may require the use of sign language. So I'm going to teach you ASL in these videos, American Sign Language, but it's important to know that not all deaf people use the same symbols. So there will be some variation. Just like there's an English and there's a French and there's a Chinese language, the same is true in the sign language and in the deaf communities. So in this video, we're going to go over ABCs. I'll do them all quickly first, and then I'm going to break it down so you can practice them with me with the description of how those symbols are made. And then we'll sing the ABC song at the end, so you'll get to see it a few times and practice along with me. So we're going to start with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So now we're going to describe all of those in detail. So starting with the palm open, to make the letter A, you're going to bring down all of your fingers and then bring your thumb up, much like as if you were to draw an A. Starting again with the palm forward, we're going to make the B. You're simply going to just bring your thumb in and cross it over your palm. To make the letter C, you're going to just bend all your fingers forward and then turn it to the side, the letter C. To make the letter D, you're going to bring all your fingers except for your index finger down and make a letter D. For the letter E, we're going to curve all of our fingers down and bring our thumb underneath it, the letter E. For the letter F, bring your thumb and your index finger together and fan out your other remaining fingers, the letter F. For the letter G, we're again going to take our thumb and index finger together, but we're not going to touch them. We're going to leave a gap open for the letter G. For the letter H, we're simply going to leave our index finger and the middle finger up and turn it to the side, so the letter H. For the letter I, we're going to fold all fingers down except for our pinky, the letter I. Now from here, we're going to take the letter I and we're going to draw a J. Scoop it up. That's the letter J. For the letter K, we're going to fold down the two small fingers, fan out our middle and index finger, and then bring our thumb across. The letter K. For the letter L, we're going to fold down all of our fingers except for our thumb and our index and leave them in position. The letter L. For our letter M, we're going to fold down all of our fingers. We're going to take our thumb and we're going to insert it in between our two smaller fingers, the letter M. Similar for the letter N, we are going to again fold all of our fingers and bring our thumb in between the set of fingers. So there's two on each side and we have the letter N. For the letter O, we're going to bring all of our fingers to our thumb, the letter O. Now remember the letter K, we brought our two small fingers down, fanned out our fingers and brought our thumb across. We're just going to simply turn that down and that makes the letter P. Now if you also remember our letter G, we brought our three fingers down, kind of brought our thumb and index finger together, and this was the letter G. We're going to put that down for the letter Q. For the letter R, we're going to bring our thumb and our two smaller fingers in and cross your index and middle finger. For the letter S, we're going to bring all of our fingers down and bring our thumb in front. It's like making a fist. For the letter T, we're going to bring all of our fingers down and we're going to take our thumb again and we're going to insert it between the index and the middle finger for the letter T. For the letter U, we're going to bring our thumb in and our two smaller fingers, and we're going to just leave our hands just like that. You might recognize this is the beginning of the letter H when you turn it sideways. That's the letter U. And for V, if we stay here, you're simply just going to spread out those fingers. For W, we're going to add one more. Going back to the open palm for the letter X, we're going to bring all of our fingers in, except our index finger. Make a little fist and then bend your index finger, so the letter X. For the letter Y, we're going to take all of our middle digits, bring them down, and leave the thumb and pinky finger extended, the letter Y. And for the letter Z, we're going to use our index finger only, and we're simply going to draw it in the air. That's the letter Z. So now let's practice together again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, just turn it so you can see it, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. You ready to sing with me? I'm going to put in some new signs for this and you can sing along with the ABC song, the old version, because I don't know this new version, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? So I want to give you one sentence that you can use to start to practice your signing of the alphabet. And that would be how to say my name is. So my is your palm to your chest, my. Name is we're going to take two H's, we're going to turn them on their side, and we're going to actually tap them. So my name is Tammy. What's your name? Hey, I know you're probably not ready to get off your phone or go back to work just yet, or maybe even turn the lights off to go to sleep. So why don't you spend a little bit more time here watching another video?